Are you looking for information about Woodbrow's old charm dining chairs? You're in the right place. These chairs are not just furniture. They are a blend of tradition and craft, designed to elevate your dining experience. Imagine hosting family gatherings where every detail reflects elegance. Many people make mistakes when shopping for dining chairs. The first is choosing the wrong size. Always measure your space before making a decision to avoid cluttering your dining area. Finally, many overlook the quality of materials used. Research reputable brands like Woodbrow's to ensure you invest in a chair that lasts. Check for reviews and always inspect the craftsmanship before you buy. A chair is a long-term investment. Let's start with a big one. Why choose Woodbrow's old charm dining chairs? The answer lies in their quality and timeless design. Crafted by skilled artisans, each chair meets high standards and enhances any dining setup significantly. Another common query: what about used old charm wooden chair prices? Prices can vary widely based on condition and rarity. Researching the market helps you find a great deal, while ensuring you get value for your investment. Finally, how do I order old charm dining chairs? You can easily do this online or through local suppliers. Always check for clearance deals to maximize your options while ensuring your choice remains stylish and functional. In conclusion, upgrading your dining space starts with selecting the right chairs. Discover the elegance of Woodbrow's old charm dining chairs today. Click now to order and upgrade your dining experience at ebay.us/mkixkm. Make the choice that transforms your home.